In a world filled with dreams, hope, and possibility, there are millions of young souls wandering without direction. But what if we could change that? Education is the key that unlocks doors to a better future. Skills empower young minds, nurturing innovation and creativity. Together, we can make a difference. Join us in supporting Sustainable Development Goal 8.6, an initiative to reduce the proportion of youth not in employment, education, or training. By mentoring, volunteering, or providing opportunities, we can shape a brighter tomorrow. Together, we can unlock the potential of our youth, creating a world of endless opportunities for them. Join us in this journey of empowerment, and together, we'll build a better and brighter Ghana, building stronger communities, one youth at a time. Together, we can achieve SDG Goal 8.6 for an inclusive community.